So I'm going to show you how to reset the service due soon B1 error. It's not an error, it's just a reminder on the Acura 2018 RDX. So you just press the info button here, and you're going to want to get to its vehicle settings. So you move the up and down buttons here on the selection. So on vehicle settings, we're going to go ahead and press that, and you can kind of go up and down, and you'll go through until you go to maintenance info, and you select. And right here you can see oil life reset, and it says reset or cancel. So you want to use the arrow buttons here. Of course, go up to reset and then press the select button. I think the oil life it says 15%, and then once you press select, it'll go up to 100%. And then you can exit out of this here. As you can see, it says oil life 100% right here when we go out of this selection menu here. And once we can go ahead and just turn the car off if you want to turn it off and turn it back on just to make sure that it's not going to pop back up. And as you can see here, there's no more maintenance light. And again, that's the maintenance, it's called maintenance minder on the Acura RDX. This is a 2018 model, but it should be similar from, I would assume, at least 2012 to the 2020 models. So again, here you go. You can press it. Go look at this maintenance minder here and check out this next video, guys. Thanks so much.